This is the E64WS Espresso home grinder. Some customers have fed back that the grinds can be a little too fluffy with some coffees. So we've decided to implement this new metal flapper, which slides in behind the existing silicone flapper. So let's show you how to install it. Let's begin by removing the hopper and taking your vacuum cleaner, make sure you clean the grinding chamber thoroughly. Next, you'll need to just slightly loosen these two screws in the direction of the arrows, using a cross-headed screwdriver. Don't undo these all the way, simply just turn them 90 degrees. Using both thumbs, turn the inner locking lid mechanism anti-clockwise and remove the lid. Next, you want to loosen these 4 screws. Once again, you don't need to remove these entirely, just loosen these with a cross-headed screwdriver. With all 4 screws loosened, you can now easily remove the top burr carrier. Towards the front of the grinder, you'll see the silicone flapper. This flapper is designed to hold back the coffee during the grinding process. It's good practice to clean this regularly. So here we have the new additional stainless steel flapper which sits behind the silicone flapper. Be sure to push this all the way down. Okay, so now let's put the grinder back together. When you are installing the upper burr carrier, you will notice the front says flapper and the back says backside. After locking the upper burr carrier, turn it clockwise to lock it in place and then retighten the 4 screws. Now you can go ahead and replace the lid and turn clockwise the collar locking mechanism. Grab your cross-headed screwdriver and retighten the 2 outer screws. Now all that's left to do is replace the hopper and fill it with beans. Now let's test to see the results. So after the new stainless steel flapper is installed along with the silicone flapper, you will notice that the grinds now come up less fluffy, meaning that you can fit more grinds into your standard basket. Here on the left hand side, this is without the stainless steel flapper, and on the right hand side with the stainless steel flapper. Now results may vary depending on the type of coffee you are using. Going forwards, we will install this stainless steel flapper into all new E64s leaving the factory. And if you feel that your grinds are just a little bit too fluffy, you can also reach out to your Mahlkönig distributor to pick one up yourself. And alternatively, if you purchase from the Mahlkönig website, you can reach out to the shop team for assistance.